As was expected, now AI is being used to pass the exams like A level. A level is quite a prominent exam. It stands for advanced level, and these are set of high school qualifications typically taken in the UK and some other countries, usually at the end of secondary education, around the age 17-18, and it assesses proficiency in various subjects. A level exams are often considered challenging due to various reasons such as depth of content, because A level requires students to delve deeply into subjects covering complex theories, concepts, and practical applications. Exams are designed to rigorously test understanding, analytical skills, and application of knowledge rather than mere memorization. A levels are intended to be a step up from exams like GCSE, which is a general certificate of secondary education exams, requiring a higher level of critical thinking and independent study. Students typically take A levels in multiple subjects, which can be demanding due to the breadth of content they need to cover. A levels often have significant implications for university admissions and future career opportunities, which adds pressure on students to perform well. So, overall, the combination of comprehensive content, rigorous assessment, and high stakes contributes to the previous and perceived difficulty of A level exams. But if you look at this tool, which is called as UpLearn, this claims to use AI to make this learning and passing A levels as simple as possible. Their interactive videos are meticulously designed to cover the whole curriculum in bite sized chunks as quickly as possible. Each minute of an UpLearn video takes their team over 16 hours to produce, and they are heavily using AI. They also monitor understanding of each concept and topic across the curriculum, and they also provide you personalized revision. Their AI powered diagnostic algorithm identifies and fills your gaps in knowledge, ensuring that every second of learning counts. Also, their courses cover everything you need to know for your exam specification, and their interactive exam paper walkthroughs explain each type of exam question and show you how to get full marks guaranteed. Now, there are a lot of other things in this website, and even they have guaranteed a good score in A level or you get your money back. That's a very very high sort of claim. The subjects they cover are quite broad, like economics A level, maths, chemistry, bio, psychology, physics, and few more. Now they also offer some sort of scholarship, but I will drop the link to their website and you can go through it to see what sort of options they have. But I'm more interested in their AI powered stuff, and this is the whole purpose of this video, to show you that now these tools like UpLearn and many others have started using AI in order to augment their offering. Now you can start your 3-day free trial by signing up with your email account. I already have done it. So the process seems quite simple, that first you sign up, then you select your subject, and then you go through the exam board and then year end finish. Now I already have signed up, and then I need to add a course once I signed up, and I need to specify whether I am a student, teacher, or a parent. So I have just specified myself as a student and with homeschooling. So let's add a course. Let me go with maybe, what should I do? Maybe psychology. Now it is just telling me what I get in this one. Hope it doesn't ask me about credit card, but anyway, let's check it out. Let's go with maybe AQA. I'll say year 12, and then let's start the free trial. And then it is going to ask me a few questions. I'll just say learn something new and paper 1 and 2, and then continue with this one. And of course, you can select it as per your own. Now, what exactly you want to do? Maybe the fight or flight response. And there you go. So it has taken me directly there, which is good. And then it is saying the endocrine system and the flight. Okay, that is good. So you can maybe just click here. or maybe go here on the, okay. Now you just can select a topic to start mastering this topic. This is how easy it is. So I'll just select the flight or fight response, and we can either start the video or we can do the quiz here. So maybe let's see the quick which of the following is correct about this. So you can select it. I have no idea. I'll just randomly select something. I know it and submit. Okay, not quite. Continue. So, and then you can watch
So
the
now that we've
video
looked at
about
the
this.
hypothalamus,
I'll
we
just stop it, and then uh, I will let you go and learn whatever you want to learn. But this looks quite good. Let's click on this UpLearn again. Leave. And this is going to load again. Um, all the checkboards. There are a lot of pop-ups. This is a bit of off-putting, but anyway. And then on the top menu bar, you can click on courses, and hopefully it is going to take you to the courses which are already there. You can add more courses there. And if you click on your account, you can manage your profile, billing, and all that stuff. It sounds good. And then, there are a lot of things which you can do here. So all in all, it's a good tool. I was hoping to see how exactly I can check out their AI offerings, but I think it is behind the scene. But anyway, seems quite good. I think the thing which was happening through the course selection and the specific, pinpoint course recommendation, I think that is what is coming from the AI. But if you are from UpLearn, you want to shed more light on how exactly AI is working behind the scenes, that would be awesome. Maybe reach out. We could do another thorough chat on this one. Now, having said that, tools like these are good, but I would highly suggest that if you really want to learn, and whether it is A level or anything else, I would suggest don't solely rely on these tools, even if they are giving you the guarantee. Work hard, there is no replacement for it. I know I'm sounding pedantic here, but I can tell you from the experience, there is no shortcut at all for success. I mean, this might enable you to pass the A level, but then you would have to learn these subjects inside out properly so that you'll be able to successful. And with all these large language models and AI agents and autonomous AI everywhere, I think humans would need to be smarter and more competitive, because times are changing. But that's it, guys. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.